Holy Mother Han, Holy Mother Han, your light shines through the darkest night. Holy Mother Han, Holy Mother Han, guide our souls, make our spirits bright. Upon the winds, your whispers call. Through the silence, we hear it all. Mercy flows like endless streams. Holy love fulfills our dreams. Holy Mother Han, Holy Mother Han, grace surrounds us, holds us strong. Holy Mother Han, Holy Mother Han, lead us where our hearts belong. When the storm begins to rise, you embrace us, wipe our cries. Bound by faith, we stand as one. Your love shines like morning sun. Forever calling, forever near. Your voice removes our fear. Through every trial, through the pain, your love remains. Your love sustains.